So very first talk is uh, how to create Azure repo in Azure Devops portal, and how to create branches. Okay, these two first we will discuss. Okay, I think we already discussed about these things, but again we can recheck. Let's this is one of the tasks usually every DevOps engineer is going to do. Yeah, so first task is how to create a repository. So how can we create repository means, so we can create repositories in two ways. Okay, from two not two ways, it means I mean two ways. One is through user interface, and second one is to our local computer, like any code editor, any git bash. Okay, so let's do for usually, but so if you see here, uh, when you click on this option, sorry, yeah, now you can able to see it. Yeah, okay. So if you go to the projects, any projects, okay, we call them we call these all are the projects. Okay, go to any projects, or in which projects they are asking, go to that project and click on repos. And if you observe, there is a drop down option here. So here you can see new repository or import repository. Okay, so if you want to create a new repository, okay, you can click on this new repository. Or if you have any existing repository from any other entities, okay, or any other projects, you need to use import repository. You know the meaning of import is correct. Yeah, so that is, but as per the but most probably we are going to create a new repository, not importing repository. Okay, so let's see how to create a new repository. Let's click on this option, new repository, and it will ask here a repository name. Okay, mention what is the exact repository, but how this repository name is should be uh, matching with your project name. Okay, let's say this is a project name is called Ghachaini. Okay, so I will say that uh, Chaini, because it is a .NET project, so that is the reason I am mentioning that net and name of the your application. Okay, or else ignore about this thing and give name of your project, sorry, not project, name of your application, uh, name of your application, and in which language it is. So it will easy to identify which language is available, I mean which language code is available in this particular repository. Okay, so yeah, this is how we are going to create repository. And if you want to add any readme files, or if you want any git ignore files, you can add, but it is also based upon your requirement. But as of now I don't want to select anything. Let's create new branch. See, our sample net uh, repository has been created successfully. Okay, this is one of the tasks which we are going to do in real time. And second one is how to create branches. Okay, how to create branches in this particular repository. Okay, for example, uh, your manager, your whatever it is, okay, you will receive a ticket that is they are asking you to create a new branch to to test the changes. Okay, So for that purpose you have to create new branch and you need to give them that repository, sorry, a branch link to them. Okay, how to create that branch? Let's see. Here you can see the branch name, right? So if you click on the drop down option, you will see that the name of the option to create new branch. Okay, so this is one way. And second way is, if you see left hand side, you are able to see branches here. Okay, so let's click on these branches. It will display all the branches which are available in your particular repository, in current repository. Okay, let's say all on stake, whatever it is. So if you want to create a new branch, and if you need to click on new branch here. Just click on new branch and give the branch name in which purpose you want to use. Okay, so sometimes in request itself they will mention branch name here itself, but if they don't mention, and you need to create with the ticket number, like let's say 1.11.062 is my request number. Okay, I will put that request number here, and I will give the name like whatever it is. If it is going to fix a hard fix, or it is going to fix a bug, or if it is going to a feature, so based upon that you need to mention branch name here. Let's say I am going to implement a feature request, so I will give feature here. Okay, like that you can mention. But sometime this is one way, or else you can mention feature before, and after that you can mention ticket number. Okay, I think it won't accept name. Okay, this feature and ticket number 11062. Like that we can create. If it is a feature request, you can mention feature, or if it is a bug, you can mention bug, or it is a any hotfix, you can mention hotfix. Okay, it will easy to identify. Okay, I am going to create this branch based upon this particular request, and it is belongs to this feature. Like that you can mention. Okay, and based upon which branch you are going to create this branch. Okay, whether base branch is nothing but uh, you are copying that branch. Okay, like it's cloning. If what are the code, what are the codes are available in this particular main branch is going to clone into this new branch. Okay, so I mean, let's say if you want to modify particular code. Okay, because it is nothing, this is the main code we have, correct? This is the main code, and we want to update this main code to latest itself. So if you want to uh, make changes, we don't have permission to change directly in main branch. You have to create a new separate branch based upon the branch which you want to update. Okay, so this is how we this is what we now based on branch. Okay, next one here, the work item is nothing but you are working on one request name called 11062. Okay, where it is going to create in work items, that is nothing but in Azure boards. If you see right, left hand side, there is a board option is there, right? Okay, there your task is going to be assigned, and you are going to raise tickets on in this here. Okay, this is in Azure boards itself, but actually some of the companies will do use some other entities like ServiceNow and Jira, or Salesforce, or SAP. Okay, there are multiple entities or multiple uh, tools outside of the market. Okay, but if you for example, if you want to use, if you have, or your team is using work items, I mean to say Azure boards, you need to link that work item here. Then then your team or your you can also easily monitor, okay, I am working on this particular request, and it is used it will link this it will link all the things what you are doing, and you can track through Azure boards itself. Okay, so let's create a new branch. Let's click on create. So this is how we are going to create new branch. Okay, if you see, we are going to create a folder, and folder has folder name is feature, and in that feature 11062 is the branch name. Okay, this is uh, this is second task. First one is how to create a repository, and second one is how to create a branch.